Welcome to South Academy of International Language 2025 Art Expo. I'm Miss Barrow, the 4th through 8th grade art teacher.
And I'm Miss Pylant, the kindergarten through 3rd grade art teacher. Our students have worked really hard this year and are excited to show you what they've learned. So enjoy the art crawl.
At South Academy of International Languages, we believe the arts are at the heart of a high-quality global education. And we thank our students for their hard work and their creativity, our faculty for their passion, and our parents and our broader community for their ongoing support.
Hi, my name is Robin Gray Bishop. I'm the dance education teacher here at Sale Language Academy. I've been here for several years, and our program is based on the elements of dance, how dance can improve your self-esteem, motivate you to be a better person. I think it's a holistic point of view, mind, body, and spirit. Teach you how to dance, but also be a good, positive member of the community. Dance begins here from 2nd grade up until middle school, and I think it's a wonderful experience for all our children to be able to be involved in.
I'm Kristen Luchin. I'm the elementary music teacher here at South Academy of International Languages. All of our K-5 students receive music instruction as part of their regular school day. And beginning in 4th grade, students can apply to be a part of the Sale Honors Chorus, which is a group that meets before school to get extra opportunities for performing and singing.
Hi, I'm Eric Ottinger. I'm the drama teacher here. We do fantastic productions with our middle schoolers. We do shows like Shrek, Annie, Newsies, dance and singing all together, and acting, of course. Theater is the art of arts. We get to put all of the arts together, visual arts, acting, dance, singing. So please be a part of our productions.
I'm Miss Cuviello. I'm the orchestra director here at Sale. Starting in 6th grade, students are able to play an instrument in the orchestra, and that continues through 8th grade. Each year we have a concert in the spring, and we also take the groups to perform at a festival.
Hi, I'm Jackie Siverly. I'm teaching the band program at Sale this semester, and this has just been such a great experience. These students are really dedicated to what they're learning, and it's just a phenomenal experience for them overall.
And my daughter Ella has been so engaged in the music program since 6th grade, and we've just loved every minute of it there.
This is the best concert I've been to.
Yes, and we just want to thank Ms. Cuviello, Ms. Maillet, and Ms. Siverly for doing such a wonderful work with the kids. Thank you very much. Awesome.
Hi, I'm Isabel, and I'm here with my friend Lena. We're in the 7th and 8th grade orchestra. I play the viola.
And I play the cello.
This is the 7th and 8th grade orchestra, and we rock!
Nos gustaría darle las felicidades a los grupos de orquesta y banda. Hicieron un excelente trabajo. Sabemos que han trabajado muy fuerte y estamos muy orgullosos. Muy buen trabajo, muchachos.
So I just saw the 6th grade orchestra and 6th grade band. It was amazing, and I'm so incredibly impressed because most of these kids come in not knowing how to play an instrument at all. The progress they've made in just one school year is impressive. I'm glad our school offers something like this with a really strong music department.
Hi, my name is Paige Bartholomew. I'm a teacher at South Academy, but I'm also a parent. I have a son who was involved in the handbell choir, and he really enjoyed it. It was great for his artistic expression. The handbell choir also plays at a retirement home every year at Christmas, and the residents and the students really enjoy the music and the connection between them out in our community.
Hi, my name is Wendy Maillet, and I'm a director here at Sale for multiple ensembles, including the handbell choir, which is a rare opportunity for a public school system class to have. We are currently running an Adopt a Bell program, which will allow us to give much needed repairs to our current bell choir. If you would like to contribute and donate, please see the information below.